This video is to show you the new updates. Collateralized FUSD minting feature is eventually launched in the 4.0.8 version. This is just a screenshot that I did, so I'm going to go over to the actual application. So this screen, if you see down here at the bottom, I am on the SCF tab. If you are in a lesser update or lower update, you will not see these things at the top of your screen here. The quick pledge is the same and the add liquidity is the same. But now, instead of having FUSD exchange and SCF exchange, it's just all one thing in the exchange tab. And now we have this new mortgage tab here. And this is the screen that I'm on currently. But just to do a quick little review through here, or not review, but if you go to the exchange tab, you'll see what I mean if you click here. The drop-down menu now shows that you have SCF main here and FUSD Fin, in addition to the USDTs that were here previously, and you can choose each one of these to swap to FUSD main. Okay, now we're here to talk about this new mortgage tab. Okay, and you can pause and read the screen for everything that it says. The main things that I want to point out on the screen is that the minimum loan amount is 100 FUSD. If you can see, my balance is showing that I have a little over 3.238 SCF. So if I type in here, just for curiosity, I already did it before this video, but if I type in 3, that only gives me $95. But if I type in 3.2, it gives me a little over 100. And here it says that the fee is going to be 0.0096. And if I use 3.2 worth of SCF, I would have 0.038401 enough for the fees. And if you do the math on the calculator, you can see that it's enough. So I can go forward with this transaction, which I am going to do because it may not be instant. And I, in the meantime, want to show you where the information for this actual new available option is found in the announcement section. But I'm going to go ahead and click confirm mortgage casting. It shows the information there, and you can click next step, and then it asks for your password. So type that in and then click OK. And then it says transaction broadcast. And like we have come to be accustomed to, in this little area down here, they normally show the records, and it says right there, casting in progress. And then it shows some other information that obviously all of this is new to us, but it shows what our collateral amount is, the casting time, what the liquidation price is, and what was our original casting amount. So while this is stating that it's in progress, and as you can see, more terms here when you click casting in progress, it's not done yet. While that is in progress, I'm going to go back to the home page to show you the announcement where this new information is found. So if you click on those 3 dots, here at the top is where you can find that announcement and read all of the details. And let me tell you, it's a mouthful. Okay, so I'm not going to read all of this for you. I'll scroll down and show you that it is it contains a lot of information. But some very interesting interesting things that I do want to point out in here. It says that currently we support the mortgage casting of FUSD and SCF, but we will expand the support to include Bitcoin and Ethereum and other mainstream currencies. So that's one thing that's very important that I wanted to point out. There's another thing though. Here they say by using FUSD, users can enjoy 5 sources of income. And they go on to note, including staking, including investment returns, loan returns, FinPay payment returns, transaction fee dividends, and collateral price fluctuation returns. That all sounds good to me. And then here they say the expected annualized rate of return for SCF stablecoin FUSD ranges from 20% to 300%. Again, numbers that I like to see. Okay, so if you scroll down here, again, you can read this on your own time. I just wanted to point out where this information is located in the new release of 4.0.8. So let's get out of here and let's go back down to the SCF tab and see what's happening with our mortgage casting. It looks like it's still in progress. So I'm going to pause the video here. Still in progress. Okay, guys, it finally says casting successful down here, and that took about 15 minutes. And I'm not sure if it's because everyone is doing this right now, because it just got released. And if I click here where it says casting successful, and I click down at the bottom here over where this hash is, it shows, while I was waiting, I kind of was looking at this, but it pretty much shows all of these transaction hashes, and it has 1112 pages worth of all of these transactions that have happened within the past 10 seconds on the first page. Obviously, if you go over to page 1112, it's 24 minutes ago. So literally, these are tons of people doing these transactions, and that's probably why it took so long. But anyway, let me go back to this page where it shows the details, and then here you can click cancel mortgage casting, which I'm not going to do that. Here it says if you do that in less than 72 hours, they're going to charge you a 1% processing fee based on the amount. But anyway, I don't want to do that just because I'm looking to gain the benefits from this new option. I'm very excited about that. So I just wanted to show you guys so you can know how to do it as well. And also, if it takes you a while, just remember that mine did take about 15 minutes. Okay,